Well, that must be nearly finished. 99%, good guess. So this is the wider body for the solar car, so it should be a little bit more stable. Be able to run it over tarmac or whatever without it falling over. I intend to reuse the wheels off the previous version, but I needed to print these bits so we can use them on this one. So that's the bit for the motor, and the bit it's printing at the moment, or working on at the moment, is the stand for the solar panel. Come on, 99%, you should be finished. Three hours, 42 minutes. And obviously I've been time-lapsing it. There we go. Very simple, very basic, rectangular body with a few fittings. Right, the plan today is to swap the wheels and motor and solar panel onto a wider body so it's more stable. So I'm going to see if I can get these off without breaking them. Put them on wider axles and see if it works. Well, the wheels came off the axles easy enough, so that's a good start. There we go, a wide body chassis. Old one, new one. Right, the idea is we're going to go and try that somewhere outdoors in the sunshine. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.